Hello students, today we are going to discuss about subtraction of algebraic expression. In my previous e-lecture, I discussed about addition of expressions using column and horizontal method. Now we will discuss the subtraction. Here I have drawn 5 apples. If I have to subtract 3 apples from 5 apples, I will get the result 2 apples. Right? Now, if I denote apple as A, then I can write 5A minus 3A and that will become equal to 2A. Means what is going on there? We are subtracting only the numerical part and variable part remains the same. Now, if we have to subtract 3 bananas from 5 apples, can we do? No, because these are unlike terms, right? So, if we have to subtract, we will simply write 5 apples minus 3 bananas and we can say 5a minus 3b. Clear? So, what we have concluded? Only like terms can be subtracted and unlike terms cannot be subtracted. Clear? Now let us solve some examples. First example, subtract 3x from 5x. As we have studied in addition, we can add using column or horizontal method. Similarly, subtraction can also be done. But here, question 1, subtraction of monomials, I am doing only with the horizontal method. 5x minus 3x. So, what should I do? 5 minus 3 and variable part common as we did earlier. So, 5 minus 3 became 2 and here x. Next, subtract 13x square from x square. X square means 1x square. We have to remember whatever is written after from, that should be written here. Means we have to subtract from this expression 1x square minus 13x square. Now 1 minus 13. Opposite signs are there. We have studied in integers. If opposite signs are given, we have to do the subtraction. 1 minus 13. What to do now? Subtraction from bigger number 13 minus 1, 12 and sign of the greater number. Clear? Or you can say 13 minus 1 with minus sign as you feel comfortable. If you can understand this step, it's okay. Otherwise, you can do bigger minus smaller and sign of the greater number at the end. We will reach here. Okay. Now, subtract 3abc from minus 3abc. After from we are given minus 3abc. So, write it first and subtract minus what? 3abc. Clear? Now, both of the terms have same sign. First of all, take the variable part common. Minus 3, minus 3. Right? Now, minus 3, minus 3. Like signs will be added and sign of the both numbers. So, it became minus 6abc. Clear? Now we are discussing the subtraction of binomials and trinomials using column method. First example I have taken, subtract 5x square y minus 3xy square from 2x square y plus 4xy square. A very important point while solving these questions, write down very neatly and give the proper space between the terms so that you could understand what you are doing. After from we are given this expression, so written it first. Then I have written this expression, right? Now listen carefully. While subtraction, we will change the sign of the term which is written below, because when I am subtracting 4 minus 3, this is to be subtracted, so minus and minus becomes plus. That's why I write here plus. 4 and 3 became 7. Now here minus is given, minus 2 minus 5. It became minus 7x square y. And which sign? Plus plus plus. Here minus minus plus and sign of the both number, that is minus. Next question. Subtract this expression from this one. Whatever is written after from, note that first. Now write their numerical coefficients because these are not mentioned. 1, 1. Now we have to change the signs of the subtrahend. It became plus, minus. This is understood plus, so we will do it minus. Now plus 3 means we will observe these two signs now. 6ABC. Plus 1 minus 1. It became 0b cube. We can show it like this also. Minus 1 minus 1. It became minus 2 a raised to power 3. Now next example. Subtract this from this expression. First of all, note down the numerical coefficients. Now change the signs of the terms in the subtrahend. Minus 1 plus 1 became 0. Now minus 1 minus 1 minus 2. Minus 1 minus 1 minus 2. Clear? Now today you will complete your worksheet number 6 up to question 2. I have solved 3 parts of this question. Remaining you will do yourself. Thank you.